Today we discuss about the custom formatting in this class. So custom formatting, you have applied the custom formatting in your enter number. Just like I want to
Mm,
check number here.
mm,
I want to check number here. But problem is that when you have
mm,
entered the number, then okay. But sometimes we have start with zero and enter the number. So zero is not accepted. In the
mm,
number format, you can't enter the zero before of the number.
mm,
So that time we have give the single quote and convert the number to text. Now we have entered. So this is the number to enter the number but store as a text. And I want to
mm,
enter the check number, the whole column. So we have select the column, right click, format cell, and we have select the text. Now,
mm,
no need to enter single quote for entering the zero because all
mm,
column format convert in the text.
mm,
But problem, when you get the problem, somebody send the number already typed and without zero.
mm,
Now I want to print this lecture in the lectures. I want to maintain the 6 digit.
mm,
Okay, just like 45 to 45 have a 2 digits, so 40 apply before of the 45.
mm,
We have select this, right
mm,
click, format cell, and go to the custom and apply here
mm,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have entered the
mm,
6 times 0 and okay,
mm,
you can see
mm,
0 is maintained. But this is the only
mm,
for visualization, not a original. Like we have typed
mm,
the 000045 the single code
mm,
and now we have ignored it here.
mm,
Now both are look like same, but when you apply the logic conditions, that's like that equals that, get the result
mm,
false. Because this is the visualized 00045, but actually only
mm,
445. But
mm,
actually 000045 and also visualized 000045.
mm, mm.
Okay. So
Okay,
that
sir.
time we had applied the text formula, select the number,
Mm,
and in the
mm,
inverted comma, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 0
mm,
and press the
mm.
enter, you have got 000045. And now
Okay.
both are the same.
Mm, mm.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now we have discussed here the mobile number. I want to enter the mobile number, but problem is that we have entering the
Mm,
plus 91 8802579388. When press the enter, give the message. When press the yes, you can see here number
mm,
convert in the scientific format. So we
mm,
have select the area, right click, format cell, or select here custom, and we have plus 91, and now we have
mm,
put the 1 0 1 0
mm,
and okay. Now
mm,
we have entered the date number.
mm,
As the enter, you can see plus 91 automatically
mm,
apply it. Now I have typed the ID. So in the
mm,
ID, I want to ID enter the 9-digit ID and separate every 3 digit with dash.
mm,
So right click here, format cell and go to the custom. We have typed 000 dash 000 dash 000 dash. Okay,
mm. Okay.
and press the OK. Now we have typed the number
Mm,
and press the enter. You can see every three number separate with dash.
mm,
Now I want to here enter account number.
mm,
When you have number, enter the number 9, 10, 11 digit, number will be shown perfectly. But when you have
mm,
enter the 12 digit, number convert into scientific format. So do you want to
mm,
show number normally that you have go to the format, custom format, and just type here 10 and hash or hash. Okay,
mm,
and press the
mm,
enter. You can see the number. But remember, in the Excel, you have entered only 15 digit number. When you
mm,
have entered more than 15 digits, just like I have typed 8 9 and 16 and 17, if you got the 2 0. So
mm,
after 15 digit number convert in zero. Some people had a mistake, enter the double number. It's like I have the two numbers, so we have entered double eight zero two five seven nine three double eight, and give the
mm,
comma double eight 268 2809. When you
mm,
press the enter, you can show I got only for 15 digit and 5 digit convert in the zero.
mm,
So that time you have two way. First, give the inverter comma. It means convert the text, and we have typed the any number.
mm.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
And also you give the space double eight zero two five seven nine three double eight.
Mm,
Okay. If you give the
okay.
space, if you give the space also number convert as a text. Okay.
Mm,
So
okay.
in the text format, you have typed the 32,000 something digit of number, but in the number
Mm,
format, you have typed only for 15 digit the number. It is okay?
mm, okay.
Now, now understand what we have entered the zero in the custom formatting. What is the benefit of the zero? And I want to apply some custom formatting and prefix suffix, then how can do it?
Mm,
Okay.
okay.
So then I have typed the number. Well, this is like
Mm,
1500. I want to enter the number MRP 1500. But when you have typed
mm,
manually MRP 1500, you can see. But problem is that
mm,
you have never calculate anything here. You have
mm,
never calculate anything here. But I want to
mm,
calculate and also show the slide 1500. So that time
mm,
we have used the custom formatting. So home, I
mm,
go to the number and here is the custom.
mm,
Now we have typed the MRP in the inverted comma
mm,
and press the enter. You can see,
mm,
show the MRP because I have never entered any type of the zero.
mm.
Okay.
Okay.
So do you want to show the number? Do you want to apply first thing? You want to show the any prefix, suffix, your text and anything with number
Mm,
in the number format. That time in the custom formatting we have applied the in the inverter comma just like we have typed the MRP. But you want
mm,
to show the number also,
mm,
then need to enter here 0
mm,
or hash. Also 0 and
mm,
also hash. Okay.
mm.
But what is the difference
Okay.
between 0 and hash? 0 maintain the
Mm,
digit. If you have enter single 0 single hash, no any difference. But you have enter
mm,
more than one time 0, then
mm,
matter. So I have typed the double zero. Now we have typed the five. So here 05.
mm,
So do two digit
mm,
maintain because we have entered the two zero. So two digit the maintain.
mm,
But I have
mm,
typed the hash. So you can see
mm.
no any difference here. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So do you understand zero and hash?
Yes.
Okay. Now I give the one example also. Okay. I have
Mm,
typed the here make the one attendance sheet here and I have give the date.
mm,
and my attendance come from the my biometric data. Okay.
mm,
So how many
okay.
people open the door, use the biometric thumb and access card? So this is the in
Mm,
the number. It's like 0 to 9.
mm,
Okay. Now I
okay.
want to visualize this number to present and absent. So number
Mm,
is the present and any number is a present and zero is the in the absent.
mm,
Okay. So go to the
ah,
custom format and you have type here any number. If you type the number has the four parts. First, the
mm,
positive number. We have typed the P for the positive number. Give the
mm,
semicolon. Second part, the negative numbers. But in the my data, no have any negative numbers. So we keep the blank. Third, the zero. So in the inverted
mm,
comma, I have typed the A. And fourth,
mm,
have the text. But no have any text.
mm,
So we have keep the blank. Okay. So if number,
okay.
so the P. If negative number, so the blank because we have not any enter. You will enter here anything character, so the character. And if have the
Mm,
zero, so the A. Okay,
mm,
and
okay.
press the OK. You can see here. And now I
Okay.
want to color red as absent.
Ah,
Before the
mm,
A, in the inverted comma, we have typed the
mm,
color for red.
mm,
Okay. Now press the
mm,
OK.
okay.
Oh, some problem here. Some problem. Okay. Oh, we have delete the one single code, so have problem. Okay,
Mm, okay.
this is the custom formatting part.
Ah,
Now I want to enter the any name, just like company name IPT, but I want to
mm,
show the M/S IPT. So
mm,
that time we have used the custom format with the M/S and
mm,
space at the rate. So zero, if you want to show the numbers, so enter the zero and hash. If you want to show the
mm,
text, enter the at the rate.
mm, mm,
Now you can see. So I have typed any type value, just like I have typed here ACTI, M/STI. Now I want to
mm,
give the address and address, city and pin number is same. So we give that here. And in the
mm,
comma, I have typed here New
mm,
Delhi
mm,
110062. And
mm,
okay,
okay.
now I type the F101, press the enter, do that.
Mm, mm,
Okay, now we have entered the
ah,
date here. I want to
mm,
change the formatting. So we have both of the change for formatting here, but you can change the
ah,
formatting also from the custom formatting. DD, it means
mm,
date. If you type the 3 day, so day is the
mm,
3 letter. 4 time day,
mm,
day, complete day. And the same
mm,
month M 1 2 3 0 mm,
mm,
double mm 0 1 2 3, triple M Sunday Monday short, and 4M
mm,
more than to give the complete July. And now we are again DD and slash YY. If you have
mm,
entered the DD YY any time of the format according to requirement, any sequence
mm,
if you want to. DD for date, for month, and YY for year.
mm,
Okay?
okay.
Any problem?
No problem.
Okay. Now, if you want to more about the custom formatting, I have shared
Mm,
the one link.
mm,
So read this link and next class
mm,
we discuss about it.
mm.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I sent the link.